to the next topic, and in this topic, we are going to be reviewing global rows. Rows are any type of content on your website that goes from left to right. Typically, when you take a widget and you drag it onto screen, you can create a new row, insert a new row, or you can put it into rows inside of a row, or what we call these columns, up and down. See here. But anytime you bring information or widgets onto the screen and you create a row with it, it's going to follow the guidelines of the global rows. So let's go in here, let's delete this row real quick since we already have one set with the text, and let's go into the design editor and select global rows. From within here, we can change the global row settings, so we can change the background color if we want to whatever color we want. I'm going to keep it at white because it goes with my website. We can change the default spacing, which we have set right now at 100 as an example to show you the spacing of the text here that we put on the new row from the widgets. The spacing is 100 pixels from the top and 100 pixels on the bottom. So if we go back into the global rows, we can see that it follows along with the predefined settings. If we were to change that to whatever we want, it would affect the look and feel across the entire website when you create a new row. Last but not least, in global rows, we have the default column spacing, where columns are inside of rows that go up and down, like these right here. So you can change the default spacing just like you change the spacing for the individual row. So again, whenever we take a new piece of content or a widget and we drop it into a new row, that new row will now follow the predefined spacing that you made in the global rows section. All right, guys, that's it for this review of global rows and the settings. On to the next topic.